curtains, it's just one of those simple household things that when you've had them all your life, you don't think about, it's time to upgrade my curtains or my blinds or my blah blah. So this is that video. So I need to remember everything about sewing right now. Is this light? Boom! We're already halfway there. Ah! Oh! That's a steal. That's a steal. Of this just for the shot alone. Welcome to the... Hi. I didn't even see you there. I get that wine, get that dine, leave. I purchased my own jet stream recently. It's called Jones Jet Airstream. Flies me to and from where I need to go. I've been navigating between the 3 different cushions on my couch. But yeah, so that's where I've been. Mushing down a couch cushion, and then I'll switch to the next one whenever that one gets too flat. And eventually it'll just turn into disintegrated dust. Couch dust. Hi, I'm Gabrielle Tuesday. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just a little something. What's up, everyone? The reason you guys are so far away is because I planned this entire outfit around these shoes. I think it looks super cute and you know what I mean? So with that said, I want to tell you guys a little story about the time that I stopped caring. I was serving at this very authentic Italian restaurant. I was the server, she was the guest. We're getting there, we're getting there. And as I walk up to this lady, I grab a bottle of wine because a part of my job at the time was to suggest possible wine options for the customers to enjoy. I walk up to her, wine, silverware in hand, a smile on my face. This was pre-COVID. And I just remember being like, okay, this is gonna be a good experience. Everything's fine. I have my script in my head. I'm gonna introduce myself, say, how are you, take their order, and leave. I get that wine, get that dine, leave. I say, hi, my name is Gabrielle. I'll be taking care of you. What can I get for you to drink? I've been, how you say, tossed. When she doesn't let me finish my sentence and she completely interrupts me with the gravelly, raspy voice and puts her hand on the table and says, water. I was shook. So there was definitely an palpable pause, and I just repeated my sentence. Water, extra ice. And this was the last straw for me. I am shocked. I am thoroughly thrown. So I've been eating these spicy black bean burgers on a daily basis. They're really good. Just fry them up. For the 3rd time this week. The thing I want to get done is I feel like I'm just doing this DIY stuff when I get bored at night, and I don't know, I'm here for it. I'm really here for it. You've ever tried to look like a peanut? Curtains. It's just one of those simple household things that when you've had them all your life, you don't think about, it's time to upgrade my curtains or my blinds or my blah blah blah. So this is that video. And you might think, well, lighting, whatever, like lighting, you know, but lighting is key. Lighting is very important. Is literally the most complex thing I've ever seen. Like, that looks like the inside of a car, okay? And I'm supposed to know how to work this? No, I know what that is. Yeah, no, I know what that is. I know what I'm looking at. And then this up here, don't even get me started. Who said sewing had to be this complicated? I thought it was just a needle and thread, immensely wide windows. And you'd think, oh, how much are curtains? Probably like 10, 20 bucks each. Curtains are like $40. And I have like 6 windows that I have to cover. That would be like $200-300. Let me just do the math really quick. I need 2 panels. Do you know how strictly just for the panels? All in all, I went on this long rant just to say that it's really expensive to try and find big window treatments. So finding basically a cheaper way, a cheaper alternative for those that are balling on a budget, okay? Okay, so this is what we did. Searched and searched and searched. We ended up finding.
And these are the faces of war. And these.
This. It looks like kind of like a metal pipe thing, and I kind of like the way and look kind of cohesive. The only reason these look cohesive is because this is PVC pipe. All that stuff you see on Pinterest, all that cute, you know, industrial barb type beat, those nice like, oh, boho chic, I'm barely trying, this is stuff I found in my garage. That's a steal. That's a steal. Of this just for the shot alone. All right, just to put up some curtains, let's do it. Welcome to the, I don't know, just welcome. Okay. Okay. This is cute though. Okay, sorry. It's time to put up my curtains. And Lord knows it's been about 1,000. Take this drop cloth, right? And I also like it because it's like earthy. It's not like white. It's like a nice earthy color. And I think that white is cool. Like on Pinterest it's cool and everything. But if you ever had to like live with white, you gotta keep that clean. Can't be... I'm not saying that I'm not clean, but I'm saying that this is a lot easier. It's already like kind of fresh. It's not like a white that's going to turn dingy. This is already slightly dinge color. We love a slight dinge. So if it's 6 by 9 feet, should I get a tape measure for this? Probably, Gabs. You probably should. But I don't know. 6 by 9 feet? So I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'll have 4.5, 4.5. That makes sense. Okay, I just need one at first. Cool. This is the side that I am hemming. Since I'm left-handed, this is like the back of the machine. Cool. This is just what I have to go through. They don't make things for us lefties. They're just like, yeah, school, you can do it from the right hand. And we're like, but everything's made for right-handed people. And then they're like, no, but it's possible. Like, you can do it. Sewing right now. Is this light? Boom, we're already halfway there. Getting the light turned on. Taking that off. That if I make a cut right here, I can rip it down. I don't remember. But from what I learned in France, I'm so scared. Yeah, it should go down it should make a perfect line. Oh! I'm supposed to cut it. Damn it. Everything's fine. 1,000 years. And Lord knows. Oh my God. Let me.
For this is the province of combat. And these are the faces of war.